Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Patel, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Subject is Theory of Computation and unit number 2 is Regular Language and Finite Automata. Today our topic is Clean's Theorem. The another name of Clean's theorem is how to create the null NFA. So the theorem is, let R be a regular expression, then there exists a NFA with null transition that accepts the L of R. Proof is, this theorem can be proved by induction method. So the basic step is, since R has zero operator, means R can be either null or phi or A for some A in input set sigma. So here you can see that the transition is being done from Q0 to Q1 and A is the input symbol. The another transition is R equal to phi because there is no transition and only one state, so R equal to null. Now in induction, this theorem can be true for n number of operators. The n is greater than or equal to 1. Then the regular expression contains equal to or more than one operator. If any type of regular expression are there, then there are only three cases possible. So first one is union, second one is concatenation and third one is closures. So in first union, R equal to R plus 1. Then in concatenation, R equal to R1 into R2. And in third one, that is closure, R equal to R1 star. Star indicates the closure. So the figure of the union, concatenation and closures is being given in this diagram. So in first union, R equal to R1 plus R2. So M1 and M2 are being taken as a machine and Q0 and F0 are the initial and the final states. And to create null, we have indicate them or joined them with the null symbol. Second one is concatenation. Same way concatenation is being done between two states. And third one is the closures. Now for example, construct NFA for a regular expression B plus BA star. Now here we consider B plus BA star as B equal to R1 and BA star equal to R2. So R1 equal to only B. So by B we have drawn the transition diagram, that is from Q0 state to Q2 state or Q1 state, B is being shown. Same way for R2, BA star, where B we will consider as R3 and A star we consider as R4 because there are two different elements. So for R3 only B, we have shown that Q3 and Q4 state which passes B means B is the transition from Q3 to Q4, and for R4 A star, for A star from Q5 to Q6 null is being shown because another element, then Q6 to Q7 A and Q7 to Q8 also null, from Q5 also null and from Q7 to Q6 also null. Why null transition is shown? Because we have to create null NFA. Now for R2 equal to, now first we have taken R1, that was single B. Now for R2 it was B A star. So for R2 we have to combine R3 into R4. So by combining R3 into R4, here the diagram is being shown that B and A is being combined and the transition diagram is being drawn. Now the final step, that is R1 plus R2. So the final state is drawn over here. The transition diagram is like this, that from Q0 state, null is being passed to Q1, and Q1 from Q2 B state is being passed, that was R1, and from Q2 null is being passed to the final state. Same way, the R2 whole transition diagram we have to merge with R1, that is from Q0 null to Q3, from Q3 as it is the whole R2 diagram is being taken, B null, null, A null, another null, and the final state. So this was the NFA, null NFA for regular expression B plus BA star. Now the next NFA of string B plus BA star is shown over here. Now the next is 0 plus 1 whole star. This is the another example of Clean's theorem. Now here 0 is considered as R1, and for R2 1. R1 equal to 0, so transition is shown over here, that from Q0 to Q1 0 is being transmitted. Next R2 Q2 from 1 to Q3. So by combining this both R1 plus R2, by giving them the null symbols, because we have to create null NFA, the whole transition diagram of R1 plus R2 is shown over here. Now the third example is 0 bracket 0 0 whole star. Now here the condition is that R1 0, R2 0, and R3 also 0. So the simple diagram of R1 is shown, then R2 is being shown. Two zeros are there, so we have taken as a null between them. By combining R1 into R2 R3 whole star, the following diagram is being shown over here, that combining R1 bracket R2 R3 whole star. So this was the Clean's theorem. That's all for today. Thank you.